Hello everyone, so I'm going to be testing out this Swiffer Wet Jet, and I usually use the dry mop one, but my floors, usually I steam mop it, but now I'm just like, I want an easy solution, something that I can keep for do once a week or something much more simpler than having to plug in and steam mop. So here's one of my bathrooms as well. I'm going to do this one. And so you can see it's definitely needs a cleaning. Please ignore that. Let me ignore. I have my laundry going. Okay, so I'm going to be using the scrubby ones this time, since this is an extreme job, I think. So let's get into it. First, I'm going to go ahead and dry mop. I need a vacuum most more than anything, to be honest. But I'll save that for another day. Just to get any little, hairs and anything that may be in the vicinity. Pieces of toilet paper and okay. I need to vacuum up these pieces. Or you can use a traditional mop broom for that. Okay. And let's get into it. So let's see if it passes. It's not coming out yet. Give me 1 moment. Okay, readjusted it. It's coming out now. Oh, it is keeping up. Wow. I thought that only my steamer, look at this. I thought that only my steamer would be sufficed, but this is so much easier. I don't have to plug anything in. Wow, this can definitely be used. Let me go ahead and get the whole area, but it's cleaning really good. And I'm a person who I like to use a lot of product on the floor. I love that it's reusable. Not reusable, sorry. I don't like buying reusable pads. I like that it's one use or a few use and throw away, because I feel that that's more sanitary than, having reusable pads, and plus you have to wash it, and it's just a lot for me. So this is extremely convenient. Look at that spot right there. Gone. Look at that. I am so happy with this. Yeah. I mean, look at this. Oop. It doesn't take me so long. I know these, I have to still, I still have to vacuum. I can use the mini mop. Not the mini mop, the mini broom. But yeah, this is definitely cleaning. And it smells good. The solution smells good. I prefer Fabuloso and my cleaning agents. I just love the smell of Fabuloso. It's amazing. But yeah, this has been doing it. This is doing it. this is an easy clean. So, whew, I don't have to spend all morning cleaning. I can just use this. Now this is a test. This is the test land. It's the bathroom. Oop. Let's clean this off. Okay, let's see how this goes. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. This is so much simpler. If you guys would see how much I was struggling with the steam mop before, you can still use the steam mop. I'll use it for like occasional, probably once every few months. But this is more of a quicker solution. Like my sister had this for years and she told me to get one, but I was like, no, I don't really need it. It's just gonna take up space. I'll just get a steam mop. But no, I understand now why she has this. This is amazing. Look at this. In under what, 5 minutes? Look at that. Look at this. And it's even like, it looks even cleaner than when I do the steam mop, to be honest. The steam mop sometimes, I don't know. Maybe it's the one I have, but it's really not the best. And it's this one. It's a little bit bulky as well, too. But this has been amazing. Yeah. I definitely recommend this. Let me do the last few bit here, which is like connecting. I love it. So yeah, that is my use, my trial, my test run of the Swiffer Wet Jet. I love it. Like look at this. My kitchen is dry. Besides needing to vacuum, look at this compared to before. Thank you for watching. Bye.